Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to extend C drive on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To extend C drive on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Disk Management. Here I have a unallocated space beside C drive. Now I'm going to extend C drive. Right click on C drive and click on extend volume and click on next, and it found the unallocated spaces. Then next, click on next and then click on finish. Look, the C drive is extended. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.